Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. That's right, folks, we're talking about the Corsair RM1000x and the Corsair RM650. And no, that's not the number of times I'll tell you to hit that subscribe button, though I might just do that too. Now, whether you're building a powerhouse gaming rig or just trying to power your obsession with cat videos, you need to choose wisely. So let's plug into the details. First up, let's talk about the price. The RM1000x is going to set you back a cool $189, while the RM650 is a much friendlier $89. That's right, folks. For the price of the RM1000x, you could buy a small island, or at least a really nice pizza party. Reviewers of the RM1000x highlight its affordability and longevity, making it a solid investment for high-performance systems. On the other hand, the RM650 is praised for its fair price, considering its stability and performance, especially for those looking to power their systems without breaking the bank. If you're just trying to power your Netflix binge, the RM650 might just be the better deal. Just don't blame me when your friends start fighting over who gets to use the HDMI port. Next, let's talk modular design. Both of these beauties are fully modular, which means you only connect the cables you need. It's like a buffet. Only take what you want and leave the rest. Reviewers of the RM1000x appreciate its cable management capabilities, ensuring a clean setup, while the RM650 also receives high marks for its neat design and easy installation. So whether you're a neat freak or just someone who doesn't want to trip over cables like it's an obstacle course, both power supplies have you covered. Now, let's cool down with a comparison of the cooling systems. The RM1000x boasts a 135mm magnetic levitation fan. That sounds fancy, right? Reviewers mention that it operates quietly and efficiently, making it a great choice for high-performance setups. Meanwhile, the RM650 has a 120mm rifle-bearing fan. While not as advanced, it is also noted for its quiet operation and stability. Reviewers appreciate that it keeps the system cool without being intrusive, allowing you to hear the sweet sounds of your gamer rage instead. Next up, we have capacitors. The RM1000x features 100% Japanese 105 degrees Celsius capacitors, which are highly praised for their quality and longevity in reviews. Meanwhile, the RM650 also has 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors, ensuring solid performance. Reviewers of both products highlight their reliability under load, making them suitable for high-end components. So both of these power supplies are ready to deliver solid performance, even if your computer is running hotter than a summer day in Phoenix. And let's not forget about efficiency. Both are 80+ gold certified, meaning they're not just good, they're gold star students. If they were in school, they'd be the ones getting extra credit for not wasting your electricity. Overall, the Corsair RM1000x is highly regarded for its performance, reliability, and quiet operation, making it a top choice for power users. On the other hand, the RM650 is celebrated for its affordability, stable performance, and ease of installation, ideal for budget-conscious builders. So to wrap it all up, if you want a powerhouse that can handle everything you throw at it, the RM1000x is your guy. But if you're looking to save some cash and still get reliable performance, the RM650 is your best buddy. Remember, Whether you're building a gaming rig or just trying to keep your computer running without catching fire, it's all about making smart choices. So tell us, are you Team RM1000X or Team RM650? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart, buy smart.